Hi, I'm Oliver from Salon Service Group, and in today's product spotlight, we're going vegan with Keratherapy's newest collection of hair health powerhouses, Trueplex Bamboo Miracle. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future product spotlights. Keratherapy is world-renowned for their range of products that give your client the healthiest hair possible. As we process our hair, style it with hot tools, and even age, our keratin levels deplete. Lower keratin levels lead to more porous hair, which, as we've learned from SpongeBob, isn't ideal.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
And that's why Keratherapy is always elevating what you can provide in your salon. They're always looking for the options that you need to help every one of your clients reach their hair goals. And now you can include a range of profit-boosting vegan products and treatments with Keratherapy's signature healthy hair results. Trueplex Bamboo Miracle has replaced the wool-derived keratin with a natural hair favorite, bamboo. Because just like the band No Doubt, Keratherapy doesn't want your salon to be trapped in a box. Now you may ask, why go vegan when it comes to your salon's treatment and retail? Well, a shift in customer purchasing habits is taking hold, and you can build your business by tapping into the vegan tidal wave that's coming our way. Vegan cosmetics in the United States are expected to grow from $4.6 billion in 2022 to $5.7 by 2025. With clients that are willing to pay more for vegan formulas, vegan cosmetics are expected to outpace all other categories in the next few years, leaving some categories in the dust, like Nene Leakes.
It wasn't a long distance. I think it's definitely time for Nene to work out. She shouldn't have been out of breath.
But this leaves us with one question. Why bamboo?
You know, I was just wondering the same thing.
Bamboo is one of the richest sources of silica, which helps strengthen hair and also leads to healthier results, which sounds familiar? Like keratin, bamboo can lead to more moisturized strands and longer-lasting color results. Even with the at-home products like the shampoo, bamboo can gently exfoliate the scalp for a fresh canvas so your client's hair looks and feels its best.
I would like to win it.
I'll bet you would like to win it. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is to tell me a little bit about these products over here.
If you say so, Bob. Keratherapy is known for their health infusion professional treatments, which can be used to smooth, condition, and set curls. And they're making sure that you can still rely on those in-salon service dollars with the Trueplex Vegan line. A 3-step product lineup gives you the power to give clients results that last up to 5 months. With step 1, the Bamboo Miracle Detox Shampoo, you'll remove impurities and gently open the cuticle of the hair. Then, with either the original treatment or the zero formaldehyde treatment, you can tame and shape your client's hair. After blow drying and ironing, the hair is ready for the final step, Bamboo Miracle Intense Reconstructor. This final act seals the deal so your clients can leave your salon and proudly show off their hair just like Doja Cat opening her set at Coachella.
I just bought a limousine.
For home care and maybe more importantly retail, Trueplex includes 4 products that can be used to protect the results of the treatment and even uses the power of bamboo for hair without treatment for healthy hair results. These 4 home care solutions are devoted to the repair and protection of all hair types and textures. The anchor product is the Bamboo Miracle Reconstructor, which isn't just a mask or treatment support product, but it's a bond repair product for at-home use. With a combination that is cysteine, argan oil, and the powerhouse that is bamboo, broken protein bonds can be restored to their natural condition. In a market that has your clients seeking out bond repair with one-time results, this is a shoo-in to become a fan favorite, just like our girl, Valentina.
Congratulations, everyone. Let's make a round of applause for fan favorite.
Work fan favorite! Fan favorite! Miss fan favorite!
All 4 of these products are perfect to group together in a promotion for your clients that are getting the treatment. Or you can sell them individually to your clients that want to keep their hair frizz-free, protected from hot tools, and shiny enough for Charlie XCX to add them to her list of it girls. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future product spotlights featuring your favorite brands like Keratherapy and their newest products. And if you're not already, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Salon Service Group. Until next time, I'm Oliver, and I just want to end Pride Month by reminding everyone of the icon and gift who is Tabitha Coffee and how she isn't backing down from her insults, or as I like to call them, observations, from her show Tabitha Takes Over from almost 20 years ago.
Miriam's model looked like a peacock was crawling out of her ear.
How about the model looked like a peacock was crawling out of her effing ear?
I said that.
Yes, you did.
That's our girl. Bye!